How to switch between single fiber to multi-fiber. The FIP-500 Fiber Inspection Scope is a portable video microscope used to inspect optical fiber and cable ends. Its built-in capacitive touchscreen and quick-change smart tips facilitate the examination of patch cord connectors and also hard-to-reach connectors on the back of patch panels and bulkhead adapters. In this video, we will show how to change your unit's optical head. If your unit supports both single fiber and multi-fiber inspection, you can change the optical head when you need to switch from one type of inspection to the other. 1. Align the arrow on the new optical head with the arrow on your unit and then gently put the optical head back in place. 2. Slightly turn the optical head retaining nut clockwise to secure it in place. The pins on the unit will be aligned with the narrowest part of the anchoring slots on the optical head. 3. Slightly turn the optical head retaining nut counterclockwise to release it from your unit. The pins on the unit will be aligned with the widest part of the anchoring slots on the optical head. 4. Configure the settings as required according to the type of optical head and smart tip that you have installed. 5. Gently pull on the optical head to remove it. You can also change the smart tip of your unit to fit the type of connector that you need to inspect. There is no need to disassemble the smart tip from your unit before changing the optical head. This is particularly useful if you need to inspect APC connectors followed by UPC connectors or vice versa.